In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom videos in CapCut PC. If you want that smooth, cinematic, slow zoom instead of a sudden, jarring cut, this is the cleanest way to do it using keyframes. Keyframes are little markers that tell CapCut to animate between two values over time, and they're perfect for creating dynamic zooms that feel professional and controlled. Start by making sure your timeline is visible and your clip is selected. Position the vertical playhead exactly where you want the zoom to begin. This matters because CapCut will use this moment as the starting point for your animation. So take a second to line it up with the beat of your music or a key moment in your footage. Now look to the top right of your screen for the Properties panel. Under Video, go to Basic and find the Scale slider. To the right of the Scale control, you'll see a small diamond icon. Click it. It should turn blue, confirming you've set your first keyframe at the clip's current size. That's your anchor, telling CapCut, start here at normal scale. Next, move the playhead forward a few seconds to where you want the zoom to finish. The distance you move determines the feel of the effect. A longer gap creates a slower, more subtle push, while a shorter gap gives you a quicker, punchier zoom. With the playhead parked at that endpoint, return to the same scale slider and drag it to the right to around 130%. That's a good starting point for a gentle, cinematic look. CapCut automatically drops a second diamond keyframe on your track. If your subject shifts off-center as you zoom, simply drag the video in the preview window to recenter your framing so the focus stays exactly where you want it. Take it back to the beginning and press play. You'll see CapCut smoothly and gradually magnify your video between those two keyframes, creating a polished, slow zoom that enhances the moment rather than distracting from it. If the motion feels too fast or too slow, you can adjust by nudging the keyframes closer together or farther apart, or by fine-tuning the scale amount for a lighter or stronger push. That flexibility is the power of keyframes. You're controlling time and size with precision, and that's it. Professional, fluid zooming effects built right into your basic layout tools. You're all set. Done.